M12 Handheld sprayer delivers increased productivity and application speed through the best pressure control and no manual pumping. With a consistent flow rate through applications, the M12 Handheld sprayer provides instant, constant, adjustable pressure. This sprayer has 3 settings to optimize flow rate of up to 1.1 liters per minute. Easily switch between settings to complete a wide range of applications. Switch to the highest pressure setting of up to 5.5 bar, with the ability to vertically spray up to a distance of 5.2 meters, which remains constant across the entire battery discharge. Get up to 300 liters per charge when paired with an M12 Red Lithium 2 amp-hour battery. The M12 Handheld sprayer delivers increased productivity with the best pressure control and no manual pumping.